Hello everyone, this is Dominic, and I'll be doing a related rates problem for section 2.11. So, two airplanes are flying in the air at the same height. Airplane A is flying east at 250 miles per hour, and airplane B is flying north at 300 miles per hour. If they are both heading to the same airport located 30 miles east of airplane A and 40 miles north of airplane B, at what rate is the distance between the airplanes changing? Now, this is a Pythagorean theorem problem, meaning we're trying to find the hypotenuse or the longest side of a triangle, which is known as C. But since we're trying to find the rate at which C is changing, we're trying to find C prime. Now the first step to any Pythagorean theorem problem is to write down our known values. So for airplane A is equal to 30 because that's its current position. Now, for A prime, which is also known as, as dA over dt, because we're taking this with respects to time, it is 250 miles per hour. Same logic applies to B, airplane B. So, B is equal to 40. That's its current position. And B prime is 250 sorry, my bad, is 300 miles per hour because that's how fast it's moving. So now that we've got our known values, we then use the Pythagorean theorem formula, which is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. What we do now is plug in our known values. So C squared equals 30 squared plus that's a be 30. Let me get rid of that. Right, much better. So anyways, it plus 40 squared. Now 30 squared is equal to 900, and 40 squared is equal to 1600. So it should look like C squared equals 200, 2500 if you add these two up. The final step is to square root both sides, and what we should end up with is C equals 50. So, for our next step, we must return to our original formula, but now we are differentiating it with respects to time. And what you should get is 2c times c prime equals 2a times a prime plus 2b times b prime. We then use the same strategy we used to find c by plugging in our known values. So, 2 times 50 times c prime equals 2 times 30 times 250 plus 2 times 40 times 300. Now, 2 times 50 is 100 times c prime is 100 c prime is equal to 2 times 30 times 250 is 1500 plus 2 times 40 times 300, which is 24,000. And if we add these up, what we should get is 100C equals 39,000. Our second to last step is to divide both sides by 100, and we should get C prime equals 390. But we're still not done yet because we just have a number. Now we need to add its unit of measurement. Now, luckily for us, since this rate of change, and we're measuring in miles, our final answer will be C prime equals 390 miles per hour. And that's how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson.